Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe. So, today, children, in moral science, we will do the question answer of the girl who wanted a horse. So, in this story, you have seen that there is a girl who wanted a real horse as a gift. She prayed for the horse day and night to God, and she was expecting to get the real horse as a gift on the Christmas Eve. On the Christmas Eve, there was a custom in her family, or they used to follow the rule, tradition that the family members they will share gifts among their loved ones and their friends. So she was thinking to have a real horse as a gift. She prayed for that day and night. But what happened when Christmas Eve came and the festival was over? Then also she did not get the horse as a gift. Instead of that, she got a doll as a gift. She was sad and upset. Then her mother, she saw and that the girl was disappointed, or Nancy was disappointed. Then she said that, Nancy, your prayers are not answered. I'm very sorry for that. Then Nancy said that, Mother, my prayers were answered. Why? See, God has answered to my prayer, but He takes care of me. So He has said that now I am too young to have a horse as a gift. What will happen if I fall down from the horse? It can be dangerous for me. I may get hurt. So He has said that no, now you are not going to get it, but I have faith in my God. She has faith in God. So she has said that. And mother was also very happy. She understood that this girl is very good girl. She is very mature girl. She understands everything. And she has faith. She has a strong belief in God. Now let us do the question answer. So, the first question is, what was customary to do in Nancy's family during the Christmas Eve? So, what did Nancy's family, what they used to do during the Christmas Eve? What custom they used to follow? So, the customary to do in Nancy's family during Christmas Eve was to share gifts with friends and loved ones. So, what they used to do? They used to share gifts with friends and the loved ones. Then, the next question is, what did Nancy pray for? So, what Nancy prayed for? So, Nancy, she prayed for a real horse to be her gift. So, she wanted a real horse to be her gift. She was praying for that. Next question is, did God answer her prayer? So, do you think God has answered her prayer? What Nancy thought? Yes, God answered her prayer. So, what was the answer of the prayer of God? So, the answer was no. God has said no. Now you are not going to get, because it is not safe for you to ride a horse. Afterwards, you may get it. If you fall down, it may be dangerous for you. If you're not able to control the horse, then what may happen? Nancy may get hurt. So God, He takes care of everyone. Now let us do memorize of page number 33. So in memorize, what do you see? He verily loveth the one that turneth towards him. So here memorizes, he verily loveth the one that turneth towards him. So what do you mean by that? So in this, it means that who is he? He is God. So he is God in this, and he verily means surely. He surely loves the one that turns towards him. So what it means? That we should know that God is going to love us. God is going to listen to us. He will listen to our prayer, and that is sure. Verily means surely. So he will listen to the prayer. To whose prayer he is going to listen? The one that turneth. That means those who are going to pray. Turneth towards him is those who will pray to God. Okay, so to him God is going to love. So he will surely, God is going to surely love and listen to those people, those who will pray to God. So it may be late. Okay? You may think that God is not listening to you, but it is not. What God thinks is good for you, is best for you, that only God gives to you. Okay? Now suppose in your examination we are not studying and going, then what may happen? You may pray to God, God, please pass me, give me good marks. Then at that time also what will happen? You are not going to get good marks. Why? Because suppose you get, without studying also you get good marks, then what will happen? At that time God has listened to your prayer. Okay, but at that moment, if you get good marks, then again for the next time, you are not going to study and come again. If you are not going to study and come again, and again God listens to your prayer, then what will happen? You will not know anything. Okay? Nothing you are going to know. Means you will not have any knowledge about those things. Who compared to the children those who will study and come, so they will have knowledge and you will not have knowledge. So God is not listening to those type of prayers, because he thinks that what is good for you, that only he will do. He is not thinking anyone's bad. Okay, he doesn't think that anyone should get harm, should not succeed. He wants everyone to succeed in his life, to do good in his life. So he listens to everyone's prayer, but he uh, answers to those prayers only what he thinks is right. Okay, he gives you those things only what he thinks that it is good for you. So he verily loveth the one that turneth towards him. So whoever will pray to God, God will surely love that person. Okay. So that is said, he verily loveth the one that turneth towards him. So thank you everyone. Have a good day. Bye. And learn the question answer and learn the quotation, that is memorize. Thank you.